performing complex tasks with remarkable efficiency. Scientists and engineers have long been fascinated by its capabilities, seeking to replicate its power in artificial systems. This quest has led to the development of artificial intelligence, and at its forefront lies deep learning, a revolutionary approach inspired by the very structure and function of our brains. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that focuses on building artificial neural networks, computational models designed to mimic the interconnected network of neurons in the human brain. Just as our brains learn from experience, deep learning models are trained on massive data sets, allowing them to recognize patterns, make predictions, and solve complex problems. This ability to learn from data is what sets deep learning apart from traditional programming. Instead of being explicitly programmed with rules, deep learning models learn these rules directly from the data they are fed. This makes them incredibly powerful tools for tackling tasks that involve unstructured and complex data, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and drug discovery. The inspiration drawn from the human brain has been instrumental in the development of deep learning algorithms. By mimicking the hierarchical structure and learning mechanisms of our own neural networks, researchers have unlocked new frontiers in AI, enabling machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. At the heart of deep learning lie artificial neural networks, complex structures inspired by the biological neural networks in our brains. These networks consist of interconnected nodes or artificial neurons organized into layers. Each connection between neurons has a weight associated with it, representing the strength of the connection. The deep in deep learning refers to the use of multiple layers in these networks. This depth allows artificial neural networks to learn hierarchical representations of data. Each layer learns to extract increasingly complex features from the input, building upon the representations learned by the layers before it. For example, in image recognition, the first layers of a deep neural network might learn to detect simple features like edges and corners. As information flows through the network, subsequent layers learn to combine these basic features into more complex representations, such as shapes, textures, and eventually entire objects. This hierarchical learning process is what enables deep learning models to excel at tasks that involve complex patterns and relationships. By breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable subproblems, deep learning models can learn intricate representations of data that would be difficult or impossible to hand design. The power of deep learning lies in its ability to automatically learn these features from data. This is in stark contrast to traditional machine learning approaches where features had to be manually engineered, a time-consuming and often error-prone process. Deep learning has rapidly become an indispensable tool across a wide range of industries and applications. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and extract meaningful insights has led to breakthroughs in fields such as computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. One of the most well-known applications of deep learning is in image recognition. Deep learning models have achieved superhuman performance in tasks such as object detection, image classification, and facial recognition. This has led to advancements in areas like autonomous driving, medical imaging, and security systems. Another area where deep learning has made significant strides is natural language processing. NLP deals with the interaction between computers and human language, enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human-like text. Deep learning models have revolutionized NLP tasks such as language translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbot development. Beyond these examples, deep learning is also being used to power recommendation systems, personalize online experiences, detect fraud, accelerate scientific discovery, and much more. Its versatility and adaptability make it a transformative technology with the potential to reshape countless aspects of our lives. As deep learning continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, further blurring the lines between human and artificial intelligence. Within the realm of deep learning, there exists a diverse array of neural network architectures, each optimized for specific tasks and types of data. These architectures differ in their structure, connectivity patterns, and learning mechanisms, allowing them to excel in different domains. Convolutional neural networks are a type of deep learning model specifically designed for processing grid-like data, such as images and videos. CNNs employ specialized layers called convolutional layers that act as filters, extracting spatial features from the input data. This makes them highly effective for tasks like image recognition, object detection, and video analysis. Transformers, on the other hand, are a more recent innovation in deep learning architecture. They have gained immense popularity for their ability to process sequential data, such as text and time series. Unlike CNNs, transformers do not rely on convolutional layers, but instead leverage a mechanism called self-attention to capture long-range dependencies within the input sequence. This makes them particularly well-suited for tasks like language translation, text summarization, and speech recognition. The development of new and improved deep learning architectures is an active area of research, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Researchers are exploring novel architectures such as generative adversarial networks and recurrent neural networks to tackle increasingly complex challenges and unlock new possibilities in fields like drug discovery, material science, and creative arts. As the field of deep learning continues to advance, we can anticipate the emergence of even more sophisticated and specialized architectures, each tailored to address specific problems and further enhance the capabilities of AI systems.